उनको मौत की घाट उतारा गया। सर एक मिनट, एक आदमी ने एक मिनट के लिए खड़ा होके उनके ऊपर श्रद्धांजलि दिया, ये आज ताली बजा रहे, इसीलिए ऐसा हाल है इनका। और सर 700 लोग मारे गए, ट्रेजिकली ओवर। क्या 700 farmers died. 700 farmers died. What did you do? You people have blood on your hands. You people have blood on your hands. You people have blood on your hands. In 2020, sir, this contentious farm bills were passed without any consultation with the opposition parties or farmers' organization. Sir, these bills sparked massive protests as farmers. सर मैं एक बात स्पष्ट कर देता हूँ, एक चीज सर, ये जो बोल्ड है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ बीजेपी से, मैं जो सवाल यहाँ पे पूछ रहा हूँ इनसे, या मिनिस्टर को जवाब देना है, इनमें से कोई भी अगर जवाब देना चाहता है, कोई भी मीडिया चैनल चूज कर ले, मुझे टाइम बता दे, मैं आ जाऊंगा। एक हाथ लगे। मैं कह रहा हूं सर, इनका दम है, इनका सीने में दम है,
आप अपनी बात कहिए,
और अगर हिम्मत है तो ये
आप चुनौती मत दीजिए, आप अपनी बात कीजिए।
I am challenging them to come.
आप चुनौती मत दीजिए सदन में,
and debate with me.
ये बार चुनौती देना, या चुनौती सदन में नहीं।
Sir, harsh measures such as barbed wires, cement boulders, and iron spikes were deployed on the roads to block farmers from entering the capital. This reveals the true face of this fascist government. Sir, demonetization in November 2016.
ऐसे मत कीजिए प्लीज, ऐसे माननीय सदस्य मेजे मत थपाइए। जब आपको बोल दिया बैठना है तो बैठना है। अभिषेक जी,
मैं एक चीज से स्पष्ट करता हूं, ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन सर ने बोला जो इस सदन के सदस्य नहीं है, कोई भी सदस्य उनके खिलाफ कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करेगा। सर मैं आपसे इतना पूछना चाहता हूं, पश्चिम बंगाल के चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी सदन के सदस्य है, नहीं है, तो उन्होंने क्यों टिप्पणी किया? सर आप अपना पद का मान रखिए सर, उनको उठ के बोलिए माफी मांगेगा, then I'll continue my speech. No sir, you have to intervene. Sir, you are the speaker. You are the speaker of this house. No sir.
एक मिनट प्लीज,
मैं हाथ जोड़ के
प्लीज
आग्रह करता हूं, विनम्र रूप से मैं आग्रह करता हूं सर, उनको बोलिए आप स्पीकर के नाते, अध्यक्ष के नाते, इस सदन का गरिमा के लिए आप उनको बोलिए उठ के वो माफी मांगेगा।
नहीं प्लीज आपको कंटिन्यूस करना है तो करिए, उनका नाम सदन के रिकॉर्ड से निकाल दिया है, नहीं करना है तो आप डायरेक्शन मत दिए कि उनको माफी मंगाइए। आप मुझे डायरेक्शन नहीं दे सकते, मैंने उनका नाम निकाल दिया, ऐसे कई बार हुआ है सदन में, पहले निकाल दिया।
सर D for deprive. You spent 2,000 crore on revamping Central Vista. You did this to improve the homes of the rich, influential, and powerful. What have you done for the homeless in the cities, towns, and villages? Why have you deprived the home? When the Kolkata flyover collapsed few years ago, Modi ji gestured that it was not an act of God. He said it's an act of fraud. Sir, we wonder what he has to say when 141 lives were lost in Morbi Bridge collapse in Gujarat. Was it an act of God or act of fraud? Sir, what happened when roofs of Delhi, Jabalpur, and Gujarat airports collapsed? Was it an act of God or act of fraud? Sir, what happened when Ayodhya Ram Temple roof starts leaking after the first rain? Was it an act of God or an act of fraud? Sir, when Mumbai's Atal Setu started developing cracks within 6 months of its inauguration, was it an act of God or an act of fraud? When 41 workers trapped for 17 days after Uttarkashi tunnel was caved in, sir, was it an act of God or act of fraud? When 20 people killed as a girdle launcher collapsed in Samruddhi Expressway in Thane, what was it? An act of God and an act of fraud? When 300 lives were lost in Balasore, when 300 lives were lost in Balasore train incident last year, what was it? Act of God or act of fraud? When 9 were killed and 40 people were injured as goods train rammed with Kanchenjunga Express last month, sir, he failed. Sir, why I say guarantee with zero warranty? Why I say guarantee with zero warranty? Because PM announced demonetization. He said black money will be wiped out. Sir, this government failed. 99% of the black money came back into circulation and is in the system now. Sir, he guaranteed that terrorism would be curbed. Again failed. There has been 26 terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir in the last 6 months. Sir, guaranteed to create 25 crore jobs in 2014. Failed. In 2023, the government admitted that in the last 10 years, only 1 crore jobs were created. Sir, guaranteed everyone will have a house. The Prime Minister himself said that everyone, every Indian will have a roof over their head. Everyone will have a house by 2022. The Finance Minister proposed the construction of an additional 3 crore houses under PM Awas Yojana. Yet no mention has been made of 11,36,000 houses in Bengal that are still awaiting central funds, while the same money is being allocated to purchase aircraft worth 8,000 crore and construct palatial buildings as a part of Central Vista project worth 20,000 crores. And the poor people of this country